Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you watch my videos, I just got this one in and I had it on a haul video the other day. It's the first one I've ever had. You don't see a whole lot of them. Not the PANHARD or PANHARD or whatever it's called, but the Europe model kits. This is one that when I saw it I was like, wow, that would be so fun. Look at the plush seats, the chain drive, all the brass, just a really neat looking car. And I got it off of eBay for a pretty decent price. It's got the front coming there and the rear is going, or the other side is going. But yeah, just a really interesting car, and I was wanting to open it up. I've not opened any bags and looked at it myself. I've only taken the top off just like this. So let's dig in and see. So the instructions, wow, big instructions for such a small car. Man. Parts list in French. Oh, and it also says, I forgot to show you this on the box. I'd already shown you on the other video, but oh boy, that's bright. Made in France, right there. Isn't that cool? So the instructions are super nice. If I could get them open. It's a neat car. It really is. That is really an interesting looking car. I don't know the year of this model kit. If I can see it on the, I don't see it on here anymore. The car is a 1906 or 7, 1905. But as far as what year this kit was produced, I'm not 100% sure. And what kit number, I'm not sure that either, if they even are on scale mates. Don't know. I'm assuming late 70s, early 80s or something like that maybe. Alright, let's look here. See what this thing, whoa, they got some huge sprue. For 1/32, there's quite a bit of parts. Open these bags. Never been opened. Just been waiting on me to open them. They use copper staples. Look at that. Well, get the bag open and see what's in here. Yeah, this company, boy, they didn't mind wasting a lot of money on sprue. Look how big that is. It's ginormous. So what we got here? We got a hood. We got some, these are side body panels that go, it's like they're right there. See that round thing, and it goes along the side. I believe that's what that is. Upside down, but I think that's what that is. Some kind of rack right there. That looks like the back window wraps around. Here is the rear part of the seats right there. Thinking that might be a firewall, possibly. No, I don't know if it is or not. I don't think so. What is that? Oh, maybe it's the seats. I think it's the front seat. Yep. Oops, sorry. Get this stuff out of my sight. You can't do anything with this camera. Yeah, I think that's the front seat right there. Sure there ain't no parts in your bags. Alright, so look at that. I guess that's Europe model kit. Yep, EMK. France. That's pretty nifty. And what the heck is this thing? Oh, that's the undercarriage, just the oil pan. Okay, there's your oil pan. No engine. Here's your little drive chains for both sides. Leaf springs. Pedals. Looks like some steps or something right there. I'm not sure what those are. That is not a hair. That is a piece of plastic. And then you've got the rear fenders right here. Steering wheel. 2 tires. The other 2 are off. Front axle. It's a really nice kit. The parts are really crisp and nice. It's like front fenders. This is some kind of like, it's like a luggage rack or something that would be on top. And you have some license plates there. And just the biggest piece of sprue ever. So the way the sprue works is obviously it injects hot plastic in here, and these are the vanes. So then it travels through here, and then it goes into the mold and fills those up. But yeah, they use some really big pieces of sprue, which takes a lot of plastic for sure. But this is just a super nice little kit. It is very detailed. Now maybe I was wrong on the seats a while ago. I was, because here's the seats. These plastic bags too, they feel just like sandwich bags. Nice and soft. Boy, those French people in their plastic bags, they knew how to make them. Don't get sandwich bags like these today. I'm just playing. They still make nice sandwich bags. Okay, so here's one nice plush seat. Real gushy. Paint that thing up nice and velvety. Yeah, here's the front seat. Now, you know what? Maybe it does go inside that I don't know. We will see. Oh, it's on the floor. It was gushy. And this, oh, check it out. It's a little side seat. See right there? Little seat that goes on the side. That is pretty nifty. What a car. That is too cool. Let me get this piece picked up. And go back to that. It's thundering outside. Let's see if it goes in here. I don't know. Yes, I do believe that's where that goes. Fits in there. And fits in there really nice. And a last little tree. Or the lights. Okay, and the grill. So no PANHARD. I mean no chrome or brass. You have to paint that. This is a PANHARD or PANHARD or whatever it is. And there's your horn. 2 little miniature lanterns. Where the heck do they go? They're so small. Must be tail lights. Brake levers, other lanterns and things, and looks like a crank for the front right there. And it also has glass. And fortunately on this one, it has glass for the little lanterns, I think. So there's your back. It's like back window glass. Corner window glass for the corners of that rounded back section. Windshield and a sunroof, believe it or not. Sure does. It's got a sunroof. Right there. That's pretty neat. And the little lenses for the lights. Let's see. Yeah, they have lenses. Oops, can't see a darn thing. Let's see, they have the little, yep. But nice. Nice, nice, nice. I was curious to see these parts and to see what this little kit looked like. And that is really nice. Let me know if you guys have any of these Europe model kits, and if you've built one, how does it fit? I'm thinking it's probably going to fit pretty darn good. It looks like a well-engineered little model kit, and I'm glad to have it. And I'll have to build this. Also, if you know the, oh, there's also, it's like running board steps or something like that. Well, no. What the heck are those? I don't see any running boards except for the fender. I don't know. Don't know. There's the roof with the sunroof hole cut out. But as far, maybe, I don't know. I guess I could look here. Yeah, it is too. Sure is. There they are right there. That's running boards, but I don't see, like, doesn't appear to have running boards on there, but you know, that's just box art. Oh well. Alright, well anyway guys, yeah, let me know if you wouldn't mind in the comment section. Have you ever built a Europe model kit? How did it go together? And maybe the age of this kit. I haven't looked, but I'll rely on some of you guys that are super crafty and smart with this whole model history thing to let me know. But I appreciate you watching, guys. Thanks for coming over and checking out my videos and supporting my channel. Over 12,000 subscribers is unbelievable. Thank you so much. It's all because of you guys supporting me that I'm where I'm at. And I want to say a big thank you for that. I also want to say a big thank you to Hobby Nut Models. Go check out Mark's inventory at Hobby Nut Models. Hobby Nut Models is always listed in the description of my videos. Go click on that link and it'll take you over there. Helps me out, helps Mark out when you make a purchase. Also the Facebook group, thank you to the over 3,000 members that we have contributing daily to that group. I'm grateful for all of your contributions there. If you want to be a member, go answer the 3 questions that are asked at the beginning. You know, to become a member, you got to ask, you got to at least attempt to answer them, and then we'll let you become a member then. Don't answer 2 of the 3, don't answer 1 of the 3, got to answer all 3, and we'll approve your membership, and you can come on into Model Car Videos Facebook group and check it out. Also the spring store, thanks to all you guys who buy t-shirts and such as that, hoodies and coffee mugs. And to my Patreon members, guys, you're great. We had a wonderful time on a Patreon live stream here a few days ago. It was great, and we just had a ball. So I encourage you, if you want to take part in the Patreon live streams or want to have your name on that ticker scroll thing that I have at the beginning of the videos, go join the Patreon group, and I'll add you to that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. You take care, and we will see you all on the next video. All right, see ya. Bye.